pastor's daughter.
Now when happened? Rakia.
Odonti sikenyine baba na we jacket na zongo
Don't disgrace me like that.
You na kolia police for anka hanu ni be zoom like that.
You do to me like that. You must have you come.
or in love
Let's say Rakia. Let me put diplomatic names about what to say grace. Rosalind.
Basunkudi. Ataka sanu basunkudi. Mamu da kuda mamu da da.
or in love
I say people for girls saying yeah. Wakofa kaji bi no that plan na echi.
Esha mama da kono be ya de
Mani how?
or in love and the spice stores akwa onyu kuma PC do VHS in the DVD
You are my puppy.
Oh Jesus.
So we no comment me to call up the fee.
It's no shame me me jina ya uti pen me. Dear fama numu no. Ke faba ya so ma fat ka man oh.
Sasha will fee my kafa na mama background sikanyine ba ya shawani
My friend is pesa menya shawani.
No daddy no go.
hey stop
Inya me pese wa babi shia me na msuma babi shia.
era mama da put up in the dark our VCD do VHS in the DVD etc for miracle films just like so forward
Dabi awunsa ye bize na ekura. Da ben na wo ubetimi ayi unsa na ade abetwe.
Nka jire me kwepa me igidi sa ka be busu mi nsia me se ahye ahyedu. To fa no ho kura na mpatiri so di ma.
so forward yes yes never be see any podcast so boy biara ba na Messi baji ama benyini ya pa
Baba nketwa mienu ayi ma mi je no ka ye nko.
so forward
Me ko 50 years so on zele ni na se.
so forward
Ade.
Oh what? Jansa.
so forward ana boy je ko apache nyansa fo
We apache. Ayewe.
na chase gunu kwem bling bling osin 50 cents
Me me girlfriend. Let me am for na ka.
Akoda.
Ade na sabi o me yale anchese mas.
Kono so nam. Ani adwa.
Na se bo no bo ma ye.
Wa mama dia wo.
so forward
Mom bu ade kakra wa tini.
Kama nini asamboni hu o.
ya ga Sylvia ke shie joko we budu amanu fo ne ma mi Messi se
Ora, men kan show sense me fear heavy.
o fere ni ma ke wo fie ho e hwe boka Sylvia ben ye den so forward do miracle film in Kumasi spice store AKONTA mando
Our class was so bad, your pen on the fear. Ronnie! Yana make us up.
I mean what is that?
I don't know where this is.
Mr. No man, no sir. One for Mr. Kamame.
Can you call red kun? Walk of 5 million number.
I didn't know who you were Mexica. No sir. I don't know if I would lie to you now. I won't lie to you anymore.
Can you tell me that you don't have breast cancer?
That's the same. Men no fire, who comes you at the
no.
2 is in half pay. But it's a ceiling fire in a sabaco. Nataba from you, not a
Please, madam. You there, dear Mrs.
Hey! Young man, I want you to know today. Obakanya me samna wa to chapel. Mo betim poyet.
Please talk.
Oh, please, come on. We don't need this.
So Nana marriage now certain. So for beautiful bayet then. Mumani dear. I saw money. Something to do a miracle for. And a despite stores. I cry on you Kumasi.
Can't touch you. I can't.
Or your brother. I saw money.
I know Kakama me.
Yeah, rough.
I saw money.
Don't worry, Peter.
Sorry, Nani, yes,
No, Danny, yes, Nina. Danger. It's a kawana, Seminone, a true sign. A mini kawana.
Don't put anything now. Hey, I'm your job. See ya. I am your different girl matter.
I'm not going to forget it.
I want to start it. See ya. Your brutal. Let me do a miracle for. And just fight for. Wow, you come and say.
Don't cry, someone. I mean, Kaka Thomas often. No one is saying.
Yes, yeah, but then you're suffering. What's setting you then?
National anthem. They say they me di jatua atunani. So be ordinary di ba misubiano. Me pene. Me no man be proud. Me proud. Me proud. And I'm talking my dress is say. And that's all. Say go me say that me na ya. Anu na kanya me sumo. But come here. But I'm for woman ya kwa. Me no na go Bible school no. School na go na go this stuff no. Me no na go.
And then Mugasia Palapo to the Gumi.
Wait, and no post no.
Who bumpire your temperature was only when you a billion. Nas and any so baby, I want for me to be a mentias here. I did, yeah. I dying.
Akonta bone makakranya. What is the kind of groom, Madam? I say, that's on here, and the Agasam. What kind of tradition, ma'am? Obi Wa Yamia, Nia, dear. Obi Wa Yamia, Obi Wa Yamia.
It's not healthy for our marriage. Please save some energy and time for your wife. Work is too much an excuse.
You know, all that I've been trying to do is to secure a better future for us, especially for our only daughter.
I understand you, Annie, but at least you need someone to assist you.
I don't trust people with my files, and you know it.
That reminds me, why don't you employ my brother to help you run the companies? You know he's a graduate and he has a BA in business management.
I have told you time and again that employing family members in my companies is something I've decided never to do. To me, it's a threat to business.
Even if it has something to do with the future of my only brother? What do you think outsiders and my family will think about me when they see me riding in luxurious cars whilst my only brother runs around unemployed? Tell me.
Anne, please, don't let's go into this again. If I employ your brother, what would my family also think? Especially having denied them every opportunity to work with me and then...
For all of them. Listen, you are my husband. And whatever belongs to you rightly belongs to me too. We share our pain and laughter together. Listen, your family has nothing to do with the running of our lives and our business. Please.
That's the point. That is the point.
Honey, hold it. Please, hold it. Let me tell you. Please, for my sake, look at me eyeball to eyeball. Let me tell you something. For my sake, could you please employ my brother for me? Please. Please.
Buy me.
No, I'm not. I'm not. Susu Jini Feti Ani Panyeo Enti Susu Jini Feti Hey Rama Wapume we are good. And then my first time me with the favors the young Kwabi I brought you secondary school. Sweetheart, me pay young Kwa, and then I were ham, it's not day, and then pay young Kwa by char. But to me, to know for, oh, best me and Cushians in a day, Zama Papa could sing.
Rose is a good friend, and she's very serious. It's just that my friend here, Mommy, had some financial problem at home that is presently affecting her studies.
Miraba, you need some. I was no help. Let me be around how I had been to win Siazi and Porto. Abandon.
You know, my father used to do everything for me. He just died last year. And ever since then, my mother has been suffering from acute post-traumatic stress disorder. Due to that, she can't work. And as a result of her unemployment, getting money to pay my school fees and buying handouts is always a problem.
Sweetheart, Matase. Monjano, Inini, Ata, Saboteur. One more Mazna, Mamma Bibica crazy to travel. Zamo here as a bottom, Miss Bamo, Ate. We have film, but it's Siazi. South American.
Thank you.
Merba.
Then I told you, my mom. Oh, help thank your mom for me.
Oh, don't worry. You don't have to worry. I know, Mom. She'll do something to her. Yes, trust me.
Hey. We are going to listen in Shamu, in Midama.
Yeah, I'm sorry, Mommy.
Offended.
But your friend Rose.
Who's the no one I'm saying? Rose. In fact, let me use cities for dollars in the Casasana for Tonzama here. At $1. Me? Jemana Mazzamo. One does I. Me then have some dinner to see as a name. Good. On to more for school.
Okay, Mom. Mommy, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, thank you, Mom, for me.
Susu Jini Feti. Panyo, enti susu Jini Feti. Panyo, susu Jini Feti.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning, sir.
This is going to be a very brief meeting. The gentleman here is Mr. Frank Boateng. From today, he will be working with us as the new general manager of our group of companies. Yes. I would appeal to every one of you to accord him all due respect, both in my presence and in my absence. You shall take instructions from him and render due account of your daily activities as far as the running of this business is concerned. Unless any one of you has something to say, that will be all for now. Okay. Thank you very much. Yes, Frank. I believe it is the welfare of my employees is of paramount importance to me because it enhances competence and efficiency. How much would you need to secure a decent apartment?
Well, sir, I talked to some landlords in this area and they told me it ranges from the amount of 40 to 45 million for a 3-year rent advance.
Okay. All right. Amor, prepare a check for 54 million for Mr. Frank Boateng. Yeah, for rent advance. Okay.
Thank you very much, sir.
That's all right. Sit down.
And I promise you a better service. promise.
I hope so.
Alright.
I really hope so. Okay.
I want to leave.
Panyo Susu Jini Feti Ani Panyo Enti Susu Jini Feti
Hello, Simakacho say, Munya butre, skadi any problem. Mesho what? Mesh, Sikasem ne unkono ba say be a modidiem, and don't worry. Mesho. Me makasa mesho. It's kind of nearly. What's money? Money ain't shit. Me problem be a movie. Other catch me. And no one is over 2 by for no year obaba. And there is the only problem.
I saw. Rose with the matitenda pa. Till no day, Casamuni. Na, say me hoka. Me baba mensu yare, Sikasam me if you have it, you say Buabom.
I saw. I bet was more than Kakra. Makachu says Casam de your Casalan, what the Casa?
Yes, so me here bear or Pipi Dubaku.
And now me a Casabri. Damihadi. As a me banon. My children first Cacasi, John. Way in the meantime. What? Mon sister, mucho hookah. Oh, set your hook in your deck.
I saw
a bit. I say, oh, problem. Catch me. Scadi any problem. What's it? Don't worry.
I saw back.
Oh, yeah, that's it.
The rules are chill. Fano.
We told them I forgot that. That's all sick can't see here. Skaka said, nobody view. Put it into your watch so we start. Alright. And I saw Mr. Pan.
Yeah, what you want to know, Swano? No, Betty, Wunyamo. Yeah, we're rushing Mono. No, back what's here. Oh, no, kick out. When name so pe was sempa. Crack a sack. I know minka on nipa. Then they want to nip us on your meow boy only a muti dear beer. So Jinny Patty, what's it? Hi.
Look tired, don't you? You know what? Can't you see the changes that has occurred in our marriage in recent times? Ever since my brother joined your management team, you now have enough time to spend with me. That's all I wanted anyway.
Yeah, thanks for that suggestion. For once, you've made a suggestion that's turned out to be very fruitful.
Oh, come on, what do you mean? Look, if you had been listening to my suggestions, things would have been better.
Yes, that reminds me. Is your brother dating someone?
No, not that I know of. Why? How can he date someone when he barely has enough to eat?
Yeah, you need to advise him about the type of girls he moves around with. I've seen him a few times with a girl I consider far below his status. So just sound word of advice to him. Are you jealous? Me? Jealous? You've forgotten you're married to me and you are all I ever wanted.
Wow, good.
All that I'm saying is I just want him to be a bit more careful. Because there are a whole lot of gold diggers around and seeking eligible young men to devour, you know.
That's true. You know what? Thank you so much. Don't worry. I'll talk to him about it, okay?
All
right. Let's get to there.
Enti susu Jinny Patty. Yeah, what you want to know, Swano? No, Betty Wunyamo. Yeah, we're rushing Mono. No, back what's here. Oh, no, kick out. When name so pe was sempa. Crack a sack. I know minka onipa. Odene wotu nipa so. Onyamia oboye mpo. Oni ya mujidie bia. Susujini pati wati.
Frank, you know you are my only brother. And my husband and I are willing to do anything to make you happy. I just got to tell you to know the sort of girls you move around with. Most of them are lovers of prey. And they will stop at nothing to see your downfall. So please, brother, be very careful, right?
Thank you, Zez, for your concern. But I think you must understand me by now. As you have been living, you know, I'm not into humanizing. Maybe some misconception out there that I do all that. But it's never true. And besides, I must tell you this. It might come as a shock. Sis, I think your husband hates me a lot.
Come on, Frank. You can't say that about Derek. No. Look, Derek is a very nice person. He doesn't hate anyone. He's just principled. And the earlier you understood him, the better. Please.
Well, I heard you, sister. I heard you.
So anyway, how is business?
Well, it has been stressful and challenging, but you're coping. I hope to do better.
I know you can make it.
Of course, I will. Of course.
Just before you leave, get me a bottle of drink from the fridge, okay?
Alright, I'll do just that. Alright.
Yeah, what you want to know, Swano? Oh, no, Betty, Wunyamo. Yeah, we're rushing him, no. Oh, no, backwards here.
Hey, aso. Bemana. Bema kut ufiti koti ana ahwaje afiafiem. Bema woti koti so obianu. Aso kwanafo. Hey.
Aso eh.
Trase.
Aso medas.
Hey. Aso.
Aso waye, aso waye.
Hey, aso.
Aso ni.
Hey. Aso kwanafo.
Aso.
Woti koti so obianu. Me too so na masore. Aso.
Asuni.
Masse papa bi.
Eba chonyo ntse.
Boko. Hey, Rose. Sing that.
Rose. Hey, how are you?
Fine. Pensu bi ma.
No. Yeah, I'm all right.
Aso.
Hey, I just want to talk to your mother.
I want to massage you.
All right.
Aso, me dance. The way mama nyina mani so. Ofia, me hia wa kamawu. Me hia ka bo bi achema.
Aso pa. We maka cho say nyem bi o ho anwene ho. Because sikane bi anyema bi and there no problem. Debi.
Aso ne nko ho.
Ade. Bibesi ana.
Debi ka me pese wo ma misika ho. Na me to space to space na ma for de na edisisi kwa ho. Na nkaja. Metina ho na ahwenso ma Rose suku.
Asopa
Sweetheart.
Na asema wa make any hwen. Asema wo kan any hwen.
Aso manka ni.
Ho siene. Obi me ka bofo ma nipopu ba no ma behwen. Obo so ko tena wiem. Aso ma mbofu in fact.
Aso nya aboti.
O ko tena wiem na yakasa hwan. Asopa aso mo koda nwene ho pa adwuma papa ebe won can stop bi wadum bi anka nyama aso bof me bof
Emena ma bof
talk to this mother of yours I said na person dibias ade na person timi dibias
It's okay, honey.
Minti aso
aso wanya de
aso
as you are deep on here, the on your day. Obi, Miss Mesh. No space I sang. Miss Mesh, will crash you. Cause it's sad, because they're crash for me in Apple. Ekacho was all don't brace in it. Miss Ade, Mesh, Ade, problem, let's say. What's Rana?
Debbie,
and so,
Meko. Aso konofo.
I see you in it. Aso, for to some there, right? Aso, to some never be yo. Your bodukunache, you tin a boat, and find your shoe. And that's it, for to some there. Now,
Thank you, honey.
have you eaten today?
Not yet.
Your stomach is so flat, aren't how am I joining you?
Oh, I saw.
I've been walking. I've been walking. Mrs. Catclear. Oh, I see. I said I've been walking. Matty. Maybe broke. Matty.
Honey, I'm hungry. I want to go to dinner this night.
Let me cry there, no problem. Me cry ya. My brain, person, she nyama. I did be go. I said, you enjoy what?
You are so.
I tell you what.
I saw you. I saw. I know so much. Why?
Papa being a Canada. I did space.
Mommy, I'll be back. You. Yeah, Chawai.
I want you.
Ani panyo susu jini feti. Ani panyo enti susu jini feti. Ani panyo susu jini feti. Ani panyo enti susu jini feti.
Yeah, what you want to know, Swano? Oh, no, Betty,
But Frank, it's barely a month since you collected 54 million cedis.
But sir, you know, that money was meant for the apartment. I need this money at least just to furnish my apartment. That's all, sir.
I sincerely hope you're not using the money for something else.
Definitely not, sir.
All right. I'll get the accountant to write you another check. But please be prudent with your spending.
Thank you, sir.
All right. That'll be all.
That's why you want to be so early. Baby, I have to prove at least you have your guy to keep you alive. And I need a job to keep me awake, okay?
You're so funny. As for you, I don't know why you refuse to get yourself a boyfriend.
A boyfriend? Come on. I'm just not prepared for it. Besides, I have so much in my mind than to commit myself emotionally. It might affect my studies, you know.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
I don't know if you want to become a Roman sister.
Huh? Maybe a Ghanaian nun.
Crazy. Anyway.
I'm gonna miss you so much. But don't worry, we'll keep in touch, yeah? I have to go. I need to pack some things before. Please, get up.
Anyway.
Don't worry, yeah?
Give me a call as soon as you get me.
I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna miss you. Daddy!
What is it?
He didn't give me a pet this morning.
You can't be serious.
Mom is jealous. Daddy, get me something on your way back.
Okay, now that you're on vacation, what do you plan to do?
Well, I'll just relax for some few days and then find a voluntary job to do. You know, for the experience.
That's a good idea. That's fine.
Doesn't mean I must prepare a place for you in my factory.
Oh, come on, Daddy. I don't want people to start calling me Madame, boss here and there. You know, I've already spoken with a manager of Unilever Brothers, and he's willing to give me the chance.
That's good.
Well, if you say so.
Thanks, but Daddy, I need to be away. Take care, Daddy. Mommy. Bye. Bye. Get me something.
All right.
Betty, Annie Panyo, Auntie Susu, Ginny Betty, Annie Panyo, Susu, Ginny Betty.
So, one person bet you at Annika, I'm sorry to say. When I said to me, near to such as here, now person bet you at Annika, make up to feel like a son to Annika, make person bet you fucking boy. What am I trying to say? When you come fast to see that, fucking you.
Go catch him, sister. Now what would you do?
Frank, you mean Eja did this to you?
Sis, you can
no,
see for yourself.
It's not true. You can see for yourself. That man insisted that I should leave the house.
Look at me now, sis. Look at me now.
Look, come on, let's go. I'm going to meet that man in the house. What the hell does he think he is?
You should.
Come on, let's go.
Right.
I won't spare him a bit.
Auntie Susu, Ginny Betty. Yeah, what you want to know, Swano? Oh, no, Betty, we have more. Yeah, we're rushing mono. Oh, no, backwards here.
This is coming as a big surprise to me. How on earth can a landlord eject a boy who collected 54 million cedis from me as rent advance? A 3-year rent advance. How?
This is unbelievable, Annie. You mean you gave my brother 54 million cedis to rent a place?
What sort of question is that? Why ask me a question that I've already said? He's your only brother, isn't he? You are the only woman who has got an only brother, always an only brother. And I'm talking about 54 million cedis that's gone out of me to that God Almighty only brother of yours.
So what did you do with the money then?
Oh yeah. Now I'm your brother, aren't I am that only brother. Because I don't have brothers, I don't have siblings who deserve to work in my company. And you are the only woman who's got an only brother who deserves to work in my company. And I'm talking about 54 goddamn million cedis that's gone down just like that because of an only brother. Now you see what I've been talking to you about family? That I don't want family in my business.
It's okay. Cool it. I know what to do. Okay?
You better know what to do. Always. My only brother. Because I don't have brothers. I don't have siblings. 54 million goddamn cities gone down the drain because of your only brother.
So why didn't you tell me the truth?
What truth says?
that you collected 54 million cedis from Derek to rent an apartment?
Did you mention me?
Of course. Yes.
Come on, sis. How can I do such a thing? How can I collect such a huge amount and not inform you? I would have told you if such an amount has been given to me by this your husband.
Look here. Don't you dare lie to me. You embezzler. Stop it, Frank.
Sis, you are doubting me. How long do you want to live with me before you start believing me? Oh, so you are rich now. So it gives you all right to call me a thief. Sis, believe, it's all that I know that I'm telling you. And it's nothing but the truth, sis.
Oh my God. Man, I'm sorry, Frank. You know, it's like Derek has said this. You're also saying another thing. I mean, so who do I trust?
Believe the man who calls himself your husband because you are vowed to. I know this man had never loved me. All that he does is to fool you into believing that he loves me, but he doesn't. One thing that displeases this man of yours is I found out that he has been going out with this girl who disguises herself as a business client. And it's not that alone, sis. I'm telling you this little secret. He knows that that's why he doesn't like me. He has been bouncing them, going and coming. In the office, in the car.
Hold it. You mean my Derek?
Which Derek do you have again? Which Derek do you have again? Is that one who disguises himself as your husband? Who is doing all that? He's a womanizer. I'm telling you.
I see. Yes. So Derek has been cheating on me all this while?
Yes, he has.
I now see the reason why he didn't want to employ you. Oh my God.
Oh, Chita Fonti. Akwakawa Samoa man enka. Ne papa yari ni bone. Na sumi ma wati asiase. Enya da obato bu atwase afra no. Enya da na ne mpofi besiwa.
Look, Sugar, I think you need to get over this issue. Frank is still a young man. And as we continuously talk to him, I know he would change.
That's no excuse. When I was a young man, I didn't mismanage my father's money. And that's why I've been able to build so much out of the little he gave me.
Sweetheart, I know that. But please, let's give him a second chance. You know, we can't leave Frank in the open to freeze. I mean, he's my only brother. And your in-law as well. Please.
Yeah. Only brother. Okay. We'll give him the benefit of the doubt, but he needs to know that not everybody walking the streets naked is crazy. Warn him. Warn him that he better get serious.
Honey, I will. I will.
Tomorrow morning we'll give him a new apartment.
Thank you. Thank you, my diamond. That's why I love you. Thank you, dear.
It's your husband. It's your husband. He's with a lady. Sis, I can never lie to you. In fact, I followed them on notice until they entered the hotel room. I saw it my own twice. These twice, I saw them feeling.
You know what? You mean my husband, Derek?
How can I lie? How can I lie just to jeopardize your marriage? I can't do that, sis.
I can't believe what you're saying.
Unless, so you don't believe me, sis. If you are doubting me, let's cut on the short. Let's go to the supermarket they are right now. I followed them down to the supermarket when he's shopping for the lady. Right this moment. As I'm talking, I can't wait to see the truth. Sis, in fact, let's go.
Derek, are you home? Your cup is full. Your cup is full, Derek. So it is true that you've been sleeping around with us, right?
Portia, how can you embarrass me like that? Janet here is only a business client.
Oh, come on, cut it off. Cut that business bullshit off. Is this the new location of your office? Tell me. Is this the new location of your office?
Please, madam.
Hey. Don't madam me. Don't you madam me, right? If you considered me a madam, you wouldn't have been sleeping with my man.
I can explain, please.
Yes, you can explain. You can explain what? Yes, a married woman catches her husband with a slut and the slut tells the woman she can explain. What do you expect the married woman to do? Tell me.
Portia.
Nimuno ono no bakwatia oh no kikao unim so pe wasempa trakra sa eno minka onipa odeni wotu nipa so onyamia oboye mpo Oni ya mujidie bia to sujini pati wati ani panyeo enti susu jini pati.
Oh, hello, Frank.
Good evening, sir.
What do you want in my house?
Honey, what sort of question is this? I mean, this is my house as well. So my family can visit me anytime, as well as your family does.
Yeah, your family. This brother of yours is nothing but a devil. And I know he's the one who's been feeding you with those malicious lies.
But
shut up! Just keep your trap shut and get the hell out of here.
No, Derek, you can't do that.
Yes, I can.
It's okay, sis. Let me leave before things get worse. I'll see you on.
That should be outside this house and not inside here. Idiot. Abdullahi Asante. Abdullahi Asante. You see the man where they go there?
Yes, master.
Make you never Walai, make you never open this gate for him, make it come inside.
Yes, sir.
You sabi the thing where they talk. The day you open this gate for him to come here, it be pliers where I go remove your baby there. You understand the thing they talk?
Yes, sir, master.
Now, beat it.
Yes,
come on, go.
Derek, you can't do that.
Yes, I can. And I'll do it again.
Look, do you think he's the one who's been giving me the information?
Who else?
He's just been sleeping around with the ladies.
Oh, yeah.
Here in the office.
Yeah.
Your cup is full.
Oh, yeah. And your brother's cup is waterful, isn't it?
You feel very guilty.
The day you realize that the oath you swore was to me and not to that idiot of a brother.
I have said it. Guilt is written all over your face. Period.
Yeah, that's all you know.
Your cup is full.
Okay.
You are behaving inhumanly. How can you just do that?
I warned you not to mention my name. Why did you do that? See the mess you are causing me. See what you have caused.
Frank.
Sis!
Cool it. What is it? He's my husband. And I control him. I'll just make sure I thrash things with him.
You better sort things out with that your husband. Because, listen, sister, I can't afford to lose my job. I can't just afford to lose my job on this one.
Frank.
Sister,
God forbid. You aren't going to lose your job.
In fact, if you don't stop talking too much, I will not let you in on any issue. He believes I've been feeding you with all this information. That's why he's treating me this way. So it's a fact.
Frank, I've said it over and over again. I said, just trust me. I'll have things sorted out. Period.
I'm supposed to trust you. But this one, there is a warning on the wall. There is a strong warning on the wall. I don't want to lose this job. I beg you in the name of God. I can't afford to lose this my job. I can't.
Frank, I can't afford to lose my job. Frank, I said just trust me. Just leave it to me. I'll sort things out.
AKONTA, I am with the crowd so about Joe. Mamma could be better. Now, I still cry me. A $2 is slow too much. I don't hear so.
When you more ferry.
Debbie. And you're marketing kitty be on my country as a show. And you want any skull. Any scar. What is Mate. AKONTA, a china will offer me to come back and discover. If you go discover my pecan, just my other. China, brothers, never G 10 million. What? Never go, Mamma, more so much master to be. No more now, and your moon sister. What's the saying? Miss Magic 10 million, 10 million. Hey! Yanko baby, I feel yesterday Genesis, Mamma. Mamma, the true Yanko baby. The minya betrayed the move. Oh, at so Monto Canvas. Monto Canvas. And you move through me. Can't get it. Possible. Just cannot. Just come on, starting here. Mama Busa, Mamusa, on your tea, can't scap to a piano. Young Shisham. You are Mammy. And you said any problem. And I see. Oh, no, Joe Bettas. Send in the account at once.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, sit down.
Yeah, I was told you wanted to see me.
Yeah. Well, what's not the florist? I urgently need money. And in fact, it's immediately. I want you to arrange for a loan of, let's say, 10 million today.
No problem, sir. It will be made available soon.
And please, let this be a little secret. Don't let the CEO in on this, please.
Don't worry. I can handle that, sir.
Alright, so hurry up and get the money. I need it in the next 10 minutes.
Thank you, sir.
Alright, you can leave that.
Thank you.
That's all you know. It's good you're here. Please sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Amwa, after going through your vouchers last night, I realized that 10 million cedis has been taken from the total amount we made last week. How do you account for this?
Sir, the MD took it as a loan. In fact, I granted him that amount.
What? Who authorized you to give him that money without first having discussed it with the board of directors?
Yes, sir, I can't remember you said we should take instructions from him without questioning. And I did exactly that, sir.
Damn it. Come in here.
All right, sir.
Please stand. And you oblige me by taking your hand from your pocket. Is it true you took 10 million cedis from the accountant?
Yes, sir. I needed money.
Shut up! You ingrate! How dare you take money from my chest as if your father runs this business?
Dad, please calm down.
You stay out of this. This nincompoop here wants to spend up on pulling down my business, and I won't sit down and allow him do it.
I'm sorry, sir. In fact...
Yes, that sorry had better come from your heart. And you listen and let it sink in. Let this be the very last time you touch my money. Because the next time you make such a move, or that will be a different story. And I will send you to the gutters from where you came. Get the hell out of here. Nonsense. Don't blame you.
Daddy, how can you talk to Mom's brother like that?
Yes, Mom's only brother. You don't know the sort of uncle you've got. One day, you'll see that you haven't got anybody at all.
What's wrong? Oh my God! So what station is he at? Huh?
Oh, Kumasi Central Police Station.
Let's go there now. Let's go there now.
There is no way we can bail him out at this moment. You all are aware of our war on drug and drug pushers. We are not going to take it easy. Not even with a suspect whom we believe to be a pusher, let alone someone who was caught with 3 sacks of weed. Excuse me, this is not a trivial case.
Please, officer.
He's my only son, and that's how I was told. He was led by one of his friends to sell that weed.
Please, please, I'm on my knees, please. Officer.
You could be granted a police bail, provided you have a property worth 30 million cedis.
30 million cedis?
Mom.
Even if we have 30 million cedis?
My lord. Don't worry. I will make that money available. You don't worry. I'll be back. Just sit here. I will be back.
Inside the X-ray. Obi wanya miehu. Kutiwa na wunya jumano. Dia ubedi empo na wunya. Odofo bi umabo. Na wama wajuma kakranya. Wodi sika na egru medamase. Ensanwie eni akesesam. Wakwa kana twade asentemam. Obi hu wanya miehu ni awuye die. Obi hu wanya miehu.
Mr. Frank. In fact, what you are asking for is impossible. I nearly lost my job when I first granted you the 10 million cedis, which you haven't been able to pay up yet.
Mister, I've told you already. I will make all the money available, all that you're flying. So you don't worry. I just want the money, please.
Please, sir. I'm sorry. I can't help you this time.
What do you mean by you can't help me? Eh? What do you mean by you can't help me? Who the hell do you think you are? Then you can't help me. In fact, I'm giving you 30 minutes to make this money. Or things will get rather serious. Eh?
Is that supposed to be a threat?
Of course it's supposed to be a threat. You think that ugly fat man owns this company? Eh? It's for my sister. And for your information, what belongs to my sister automatically belongs to me. That man, he will soon pass away. Eh? He will soon pass away. And I will be the head of this company. And I'm telling you that things will get worse in this office. If you don't take it and bring this money here, I'm telling you, I assure you that I'll make sure you are fired. You understand? Now, get out of this office. Get out!
Alright. I will
get out. We will see. It's a warning! Alright. Nonsense. Nonsense! Take this.
Good day, sir.
Yeah, sit down.
Sir, I have something to put across.
What is it?
This in-law of yours keeps pressurizing me, and I can't stand this pressure any longer.
What has it done?
Well, sir, I want to pose this question. Who does this company belong to? Is it you or him? The reason is, he keeps threatening me that if I don't grant him this loan, he will see to my dismissal.
You mean Frank told you that? Now, look, Amwa, never ever you make that mistake. You're still in your office because you're doing exactly what I want. And that's why you're there.
Yes.
So you take express instructions from me.
Yes.
Remember, we started long ago.
Yes, sir. And that is exactly why I'm here. He said I should wait till you die. And when he comes to take over this company, he will turn things around. Which means he's expecting your death very soon, sir.
So, that's what that boy is waiting for. My death. So he takes over this company. We'll see how far he goes with it. Call him here.
Yes, sir. I will do exactly so.
Frank, I took you for an honest, conscientious fellow. A young man with a dream. A young man with a goal in life. And that's why I gave you that position of a managing director to make something with your life. But the opposite is the story. Fraud.
But sir, what have I done this time?
Oh no, you haven't done anything. Except that I believe I did tell you never to tamper with my finances again. And what's the next thing you do? You went intimidating and threatening my accountant to grant you another loan. And what did you tell him? He should wait till I am there. And when you take over, then you show him where power lies. I see you're bent upon ruining my company. Because you started it for me. Alright? You built this company for me. Mr. Frank Boateng, you're fired. You hand over everything that belongs to the company and leave the premises within the next 15 minutes. Leave.
So you expect me to be fine after you left? You told my mother to wait for you at the station, right? Frank, are you that wicked?
Annie, you have to understand me. I'll raise the money, it's just that I need to organize myself and all that. Huh?
So, whilst my brother's in trouble, you're here having a fun time.
Annie,
you've changed.
It's not that I've changed. I said understand me. I just finished telephoning the manager. He said money will be available just tomorrow afternoon. So where's your stress?
So, is my brother supposed to rot in the cell?
Not exactly. At least just for this night. Just for this night. Things will get even better tomorrow.
Look, let me warn you and tell you that if you cannot provide for my needs, our relationship is over, okay? O-V-E-R, over, okay? Look, I need a man who can take care of my full responsibility and take care of my family. Excuse me.
Rose!
Rose! Watch it, I'm wanting to Okokawa Samuaman enka ni papa ye ni bone. Nanso me ma wati asiese. Enya da abeto bu atwa hwefra wono. Enya da na nempa fi best.
How dare you, Derek? Derek, how dare you? Why must you throw out my brother simply because you think he's spying on you?
You people don't seem to understand what's going on. That Frank you called your brother is causing a lot of grievous financial harm to my companies. And I won't sit down unconcerned once he pulls down a business I have toiled to build. Never!
But, Daddy, you shouldn't have sacked him. I believe there is a better way to settle this.
My daughter, I am doing this in the interest of your future and that of this family as well. Frank is not a serious person, and if we don't take care, he will destroy us all.
Derek, I'm disappointed in you. Really disappointed in you. Oh, I never knew you hated my brother this much. I now know the reason why you don't want any family member around you. But let me tell you this. You are telling a big lie. Frank must come back.
As long as I, Derek, remain the chief executive officer of Derek Pomegbe Group of Companies, Frank shall never have a place there.
It's a lie, oh! Hey! It's a lie! Frank will surely come back here! Oh! Hey! You better talk to that stubborn father of yours before it becomes a tug of war in this house, right? Hey! Wow.
Panyo, enti susu, jini peti.
That's it, open the open. Hey, forget I don't know about you. No, but let me bother. One of my mama, what do you get mom standing out? Ask my mama, hello. No, my master, and I heard you fly or food the eye, over there when you hey, my point. Or gas my mamma, what do you met your same Jimmy Chow? You stop up with them, Mamma point. Mamma point, Saku, and the real confused. Should be over Quara. Should be Quara. Mr. Semimarco. Missing my mamma, missing class. What do you guess you can have Semimarco? Madam, I call you gas my mama is if you have when you're being cruel, I'm also the Marquis. Not singing the
today. Only some of Fanon, Namu of Beffy, as I won't know where the cat and say, or got your man in Meffy.
I'm like, in the most more yet, the Mutan you'll be see, my baby's no watchman. May I catch money away the more some now?
Madam, what God is
your phone, Macatan, it's all got. Sure, and then your first and last time. They wouldn't be able to bow us up. Now catch a name, Mamba. South American. Mama can't say, yes, what will assume here?
Yes, ma'am.
On it. Yes.
It's not make a show. I want you to
yeah, Frank. As I say, watch you. Hey, Muni, Abba, Sama. What's in Quamita did it, and Jamie, Uber, your Koyapatazi. It's a scape where I am that 1 million, I'm saying, you know, it's a jet. Now, some the man, Fetch your child, make us say no.
System, but you're now, Okus no crack. You know, it's down, right?
Never worry, Millie never has. Why? Never has. So,
It's you, right? But that's so.
Why? How do you know? Marcus, say you. What for?
Let us do that.
You're fun on the chair. Uncle Frank! Hey, what's Uncle? Come on. Hey, how do you like it?
What do you think you're doing?
I'm moving to the next room. I need to be alone.
And you think that's necessary?
Very necessary. Very necessary. You expect me to sleep with you when you ate my blood? Huh? Blood is thicker than water.
Yeah. Blood is thicker than water. But you forget it's water you're married to and not blood. Well, sit yourself. Blood is thicker than water. Who's that? Who are you? No, please. Easy with it. Shut up! Please, no. What do you want? $20,000. $20,000, he said.
I want you to bring every damn cent in this room out.
No! He said, you take. You take everything, yeah?
The world is too small, you know.
Sorry, okay, we sorry, memory on which you were, madam.
Hey, that's a mokuni we are. Oh, Mamma Campo. Then you pose it the Mewin. Miss Saman and Yankopan.
Madam, okay, we dear, any papa could pay. And I'm a dibisuno, me gidis on a this so, Unia Bemano now, Daka Samiama and Mefiano. Sadan Run Kwan any power befia, or Basade, or Bob Mammy being on. Or Penisho, why a black, and near call saying, did so no one poor gas out near Bemano.
July, as American men keep him down. Hey, impress at police for say, that's so as I was by your evidence now.
Madam.
You see, man come on being to be put down. Mama can I utter? What's a pet as a matter? Man can't be evidence so. Minim Hoshi, Moonish, men say, me pay a better if you win you. Porto, Mamma, Messin you pose the Mewin, Masama and Miami. Oh, ye, Abasma, shut man come up here and sib you. Near the Massam no bottle. Hey,
Madame, any panono no, Unia Bemano. Oh, piano show.
Indiana make and say, Miss Yezi, any evidence.
any evidence police of Soma as a bayo.
Madam.
Fear, more,
Madam, I'm afraid that we say.
So wonderful. Aso. Aso trasi. Masi. Nyame ma onye kese. Omo unyira na tu.
Amen.
Nyame ma ogun po toilet and then go.
Amen.
Aso ojo so nya petrol ni ento.
Amen.
Aso nyame nsha wasente. Unyina na tu. Aso rungu. Nyame nsha kwa me ntiase. Amen. Aso
Tina auntie me man. I'm a new class mama kota 2 days. Hey, me people be cry by the mother poor no matter because I send me reputation. No, sorry. Me cry. Me say. Me pay dying on. There be also never poor. Also for poor no. Sorry. Please cut here.
Aso.
There may be no. Maybe no chai aso. Makaso dem through. Skadium through. Me say it's makaso di kan kase me the more by Genesis no. Me Malachi na yen 30 New Testament aso. Me see me mu new. Aso. Me see me mu new. Oji mi ni ana. Me see some shebro.
Na aso. Efie so.
Aso. Me see me catch you. Me say on me come high flat mama. In the meantime, na madru yegu. Oh, ese my papa be so.
Madru
na chese motina mi via na chese masa have everything. Mem. Oh.
But then I so just
dem pesa mo yam me yam no. Hey. Dem pesa me yam no. Me say me you.
You know, so far you are the only suspect.
Oh, madam, me pacho minimum she. A better than me kumia yoga. Madam, minimum she, me pacho.
So who did? You are a watchman, hired to watch over people and their property. Are you saying that the perpetrators or the perpetrator grew wings and fly into the house? Is that what you want to tell us?
Madam, me pacho, sada na numleno, me ame madam, nini abema, nunkuwa nini pa obe fiono. Said you do pia me she no. Are you
sure of what you're saying? Shit, then I have to arrest the bastard. Okay, I'll know what to do.
Obi
He's not a murderer. Besides, he has no reason why he should kill my husband.
But according to the watchman, he was the only person that enters the compound at the same time your husband was shot.
It's a lie, officer. It is not true. My brother left the house in the evening and my husband was murdered around 1 a.m. according to the police report.
I see.
Officer, please, can I ask a question? Can my brother be bailed?
Do you have 30 million or a house to stand surety?
Yes, officer, I have both, yes.
Then I will grant you the bail. But you have to make sure you bring him here consistently until our investigation is through.
Thank you, officer. I will do that.
Okay, then let me just have a call. Hello. Yeah, okay, just now.
AKONTA bone Nyo ye dienyo Sobi huwa nyamiehu Sobi huwa nyamiehu.
How do you like? Me pay them come back to the boys' quarters. Neka pack one zamane fifi her immediately. Ask my American.
Madam Pasha, my head.
Say what be some? I have in my head. So it's the nukube ze nende muni why dey. Actually why you dey? Abasama. Mr. Paul.
Madam, we show you. Sorry. Sada no kwani ni pa obe fia no. Oba kwa no aye black. O me kwa hwe wo. Wo na nim asada na na nim se wudini. Me ji so no na kum oga.
Shut up. No, them. Oh, when you come in, if there was a look, Miss Fifia, I'm in bed. Pray immediately. Come from the immediately. Pray.
On one look,
what's your
I don't smoke one leg, ma. Huh? Fifiako. Madam Pacho, Madam.
Oh, tomorrow, so I can so what? Come, you there.
Because I feel me, let's talk for my veterinarian. So you feel so a day. In fact, we were my name of Yabim. And my name Buff Yabim. Now I kick us out by myself, let me say.
Nipanya oh Susu Jini Fadi Nipanya oh Susu Jini Fadi Nipanya oh Enti Susu Jini Fadi.
As I said, Frank, my brother, has worked with my late husband in the running of the companies. And I believe with his experience and his affiliation with the workers, he would be the better person to take over as a CEO.
Look, Portia, I don't think this your brother Frank is good enough to handle the affairs of the companies. You all know Frank. He's just a young man. This is a family business. So I suggest we find someone who is more experienced and old enough to wisely manage the affairs of the business.
And who do you have in mind?
Oh, your late husband had so many uncles. Hope, a product of Lincoln University. Divine from Legon with masters in business administration. You can count on them.
I don't think my husband would love to see that happen. Please, I will advise that you allow me to appoint whoever I want to. Besides, you've already taken your share of the properties. I can manage the rest.
You say so. We were just trying to help.
Thanks for your concern.
Okay. Then, I better leave.
Yeah, what do you want to know, Swano? Oh, no, Betty, will you more? Yeah, we're rushing him, no. Oh, no, backwards here. Oh, no, no kikau. Unim so pe wasempa. Shokron kraka se. Eno minka onipa. Odene wotu nipa suo. Onyamia oboye mpo.
You are now the only man we have to protect us. You can't refuse to accept the offer. Please.
I'm still suffering from the shock I felt when I was sad. In fact, I need some time just to get over all this.
So tell me, what do we do with the business? You want us to sit down unconcerned? Those fools take away from us what rightly belongs to us?
In fact, sis, I can't accept this. You know your late husband, he hated me. He embarrassed me in front of all this work and then he expects me to go back to that firm. No, sis.
Frank, stand there and talk to me. Don't walk away from me. Don't do that, brother.
Sis, why are you pushing me to the wall? Why are you pushing me to the wall?
We are not.
Uncle Frank, please. You have to help the family. Please, you have to help us. Until maybe I complete my studies. Please, Uncle. You know you are the only uncle I have.
You are my only brother.
Mommy, Uncle, I beg you. Please, you need to help us.
Sis, you are pushing me to the wall. Sis, you are pushing me to the wall. Alright, you stand up. I guess I have nothing to say. Just to accept this.
Thank you so much, Frank. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Uncle.
And you know what? Just stay on. Let's have dinner. Then after that, I'll let you in on what you need to know about the company, right?
Alright.
Okay. Get up. Get dinner ready and let's have.
Yeah, what do you want to know, Swano? Ono na obedi wuhwamo. Dia wureshe ni mono. Ono na obema wo hu achire. Oh na okika. Wonim se ope wasempa. Onyamia oboye mpo. Oni nipa mujidie bia. Ah nipanya oh. Susuji nipadi wati. Ah nipanya oh.
Hey, stand up! Stand from that chair.
So we've met again. He always says that what goes around would definitely comes around.
I don't understand. What are you trying to insinuate here?
Mr. Moore, you are fired.
Me fired?
And I want you to leave this office within the next 10 minutes. And I'm warning you, never step this stinking feet of yours into this office again, or you get it very hot for me. You understand?
I see. You are asking me out of this office, and that I'm fired.
Yeah, I made my statement so straight to you, and it's very final. Now leave my office.
Anyway, I will leave. But just as you said a short while ago, what goes around would definitely come back. You wait and see.
You thought my time will never come. And now it's my time. Nonsense. Idiots.
woman enka ni papa yarie ni bone Nesu mi ma wati asiase Enya da obeto bu atwase afra wo no Enya da na na mpofi besiwa From what way so enti wada Dakru ba ye da boni ama wo nu adofo obi wuwa
Look, there is a new management. You must understand that things has to change under this regime of mine. As the new chief executive officer, things will get changed. And you must try to convince those workers. You understand?
But sir, at least we need to pay them. Because for 2 months now, they've not been paid. And that is creating chaos amongst us.
Look here. You have the power invested in you by me to sack anybody for misbehaving. You understand? Any damn body for misbehaving. Now go and do as I say. Leave.
So be who So be who
chita fonti utrimu ya ude Okoka wasa woman enka Ni papa yarie ni bone Nanso me ma wati asiese Enya da obeto bu atwase afra wo no Enya da na na mpafi besiwo From what west went to water Dakruba ya da boni ama wonu adofwe Obi huwa nyamie Obi huwa nyamie
AKONTA bone
Unu obi adwuma yi wa kama
ye die nyo
E masam fa wo kwesi
So be who anyame hu
Madam, do you know that for 3 months now, none of us have been paid?
I don't believe this. What is wrong? Why? Is there no money?
There is enough money, but the MD has just refused to pay us. He's using the money for his own business, buying flashy cars and taking his girlfriend to expensive places.
I hope you are very sure of what you are saying.
That boy is living in luxury now. You know I can't lie to you. All you need is to investigate and find the truth for yourself.
You see, these people are only workers and they don't know the financial problems of the company. I was even with those files I had to show you.
No, Frank, please don't delve into it. That's okay.
You see, sis, your late husband has a lot of debt in the company, which now is partially collapsing the company. So I've opted for a loan from the bank to refund the company before we can do something, or else we can't do anything.
So what about the workers? Can't you at least find any means of paying them?
Yeah, I've sought money from one of our banks in the form of a loan just to pay them. So that's what I'm doing now.
Please do that, because we just can't afford to lose these workers.
Okay, always their demands will be met. That I can assure you that.
Alright.
Let's leave for the office.
Okay, thank you so much. See you later. Bye.
Little Nate, you have to understand me. Things are not quite well as they used to be, even when your late father was around.
Uncle, are you saying I can't go back to school all because things are bad for the company? How bad are things?
In fact, very, 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 very bad. You see, your late father was indebted to so many people. That's the reason of this company instability. But, well, I dream of a better future. In fact, you see this money? This is the lifespan of this company. When this money is no more, I don't know what to be left of this company. But because of our relationship, I have to do something. You know, you're my favorite niece and all that. That is 100,000. Take and manage it well. Fine, manage it well.
Uncle, 100,000? What will I do with this money? I need almost 3 million cedis to go back to school. And you've given me 100,000 cedis? God. How will I go back to school without the needed amount, Uncle? How?
Little Nate here. Things are not well. Even your mother is away. But things are not going on smoothly. Things aren't well. I mean, manage it. I know maybe in the future things could get better. I know what to do then.
100,000 cedis, Uncle. Me.
Understand me, Nate. Little Nate. Understand me.
How will I survive on this?
Just know our relationship. I can't treat you like this if there is enough money.
100,000 cedis, Uncle. 100,000. How do you want me to survive on this? Huh? A whole woman, me. 100,000 cedis, Uncle. I wish my father was alive. I wish.
Oh, Papa, I showed you to someone cried here. Kuzungura, we are ready 100,000 as an adiachi. Kevin, I'm better than hire you, my home. Shame. You better think twice. Saga. You better put a crew and say you will never have a cook. Johnny.
Enti susu jini peti. Ya wote watu nusuano. Ono no peti unyamo. Ya uresa ni mono.
Rose. Let her in.
Oh no kikao. Unim sope wasempa. No cracker sad. Ano meka onipa Odene wotu nipa suo Onyamia oboye mpo Oni ya mujidie bia
I'm impressed. You have good taste. You have a nice place here, you know.
Thank you. I was even thinking of redecorating this place. It's old-fashioned, and you know my taste. I will change it in due time. Honey, you're looking so splendid. Stop. Let me see that. Turn it, let me see.
I did all of this for you. No. So how's work today?
Sit down. Sit down. Let's go.
Anyway, I won't sit for long. I just came for the money you promised to give me.
How much did you say you wanted?
Just 10 million.
10 million. 10 million. Alright, come on. Good. I don't have enough cash on me, so restrict this deal. Take this for your TNT and for your hairdo and all that. And that is the amount. I hope it will be sufficient.
I'll manage it.
So, honey, don't go to the bank with this dress. Do you want everybody to just explore you or what? You need to go and change this. Apart from the fact that I like it when you're with me, people will exploit too much. Change it, eh?
Okay, honey. I promise I'll go home and change.
Alright, you better go and change. Yeah. Right.
So, I have to run right now, okay?
Alright.
I'll call you when I get to school.
Alright, love it.
Alright, love you. Alright. Ciao, ciao. I'll probably give you a call, okay, when I get to school.
Alright.
Give me a call this evening. Probably I'll need some more money for some handouts and other stuff.
Alright, don't worry.
Alright.
Hey!
Ani panyeo susu jini pedi. Ani panyeo enti susu jini pedi.
Mother, please don't tell me to calm down. God, how do you expect me to take a common 100,000 cedis to school?
Favor, you have to reason here. It's not as if your uncle doesn't want to give you money. No! The company is going through serious financial crisis. Even the workers have not been paid.
Why? Why are they not paid? But Mom, things were fine before Dad passed away.
Look here, we don't need to argue over this. Your uncle is saying there is no money. Period. You must understand him.
Understand who?
Of course.
Him? Oh, Mother, don't tell me to understand him. How can I live with 100,000 cedis? A whole me, taking 100,000 cedis.
Look here, Favor. You either take it or leave it.
Hey, don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. Favor, what is it? Can you imagine? Me. Mother is telling me to take 100,000 cedis to school. How does she want me to leave?
Mommy, please don't worry, okay?
Alright.
I'll give her whatever she wants, okay?
Thank you, my daughter.
So because of common 100,000 cedis, you're shouting for the whole world to know? Oh, Favor.
What do you expect me to do?
You get your things and let's go.
Mother.
Favor, get your clothes and let's get going. Please, let's go. Please don't worry, okay?
Check it out. Baby, I love your car. Jesus. Wow. Oh, God, I'm so happy for you. Wow. Jesus. I really want to make this your fiancé, you know. He's such a guy. Gosh. Look at this car. It's not for children, you know.
You're definitely right.
It's my baby. Wow. God. Now, tell me, what does he do for a living?
He's a business tycoon. He owns a group of companies that his father left behind.
Wow. Then I can see he's loaded.
No, girlfriend. Not just loaded, but overloaded.
Gosh, baby, I love your car. Jesus.
You know what?
Gosh,
sit inside and let me take you for a cruise. Let's take this town red, man.
Right, girl. Baby, I love your car. Jesus.
Gossip, right? I talked with my brother and he has let me in on the financial problem of the company. You don't need to come here after every second to come and gossip, right? I hate that.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
You had better.
I would like to leave you.
Yeah, what do you want to know, Swano? Oh, no, now, Betty, we are more. Yeah, we're a shiny mono. Oh no, Bama won't want you. Oh, now kick out.
Nonsense.
When him fell up, I was semper. On Yamia, oh boy, empo. Oni nipa mujidebia. Ah, nipanya, oh. Susuji nipadi, what's it?
Your time is up, Miss Informer. Since you have decided to be an informant, I would suggest you go home and do that there. From this moment, you are fired.
But sir, you can't do this to me.
Look here. You have less than 10 minutes to leave this office, or I'll throw you out myself. Now get the heck out. Leave my office. Leave.
Hey you. Who the hell do you think you are? Huh? I know who you are, yes sir. I can on your post. Who's trying to you've been throwing your weight about? Let me tell you. I know with my credentials I can get an equally good job anywhere.
Seriously,
but
seriously,
mark my words.
Hey,
you're gonna regret this, yeah?
Leave.
Kashem go do what?
Leave, Mark.
Woa chita fonti utrimu ya ude. Okoka wasam woman enka. Ni papa ye ni bone. Nanso me ma wati asiese. Enya da abeto bu atwa hwefra wo no. Enya da na nempa fi besi wo. From where west went to water. Nakroba ya da boni ama onu adofwe. Obi huwa nyamye Obi huwa nyamye Nana nyame mpa boni. Akonta boni. Unu obi adwuma yi wa kama. E masam fa wo kwosiri. Obi huwa nyamye Ebema wa brabo.
Sis, you have to understand me on this. It's not that I'm being so hard on you. It's just that business aren't going well like it's supposed to. Things are really flopping in the office. And we are managing, in fact. We are forcing this.
Frank, if business is not moving the way it should, it doesn't mean you should starve us to death.
I'm not starving you, sister. For that one I can never do. It's just that I have to scrutinize things to pay the debt your late husband accrued there. All things are getting worse at the office. That's for the one I can never do it.
Manager, I won't doubt what you're saying. If you've said it, all well and good. There's nothing I can do.
Understand me too. Because I'm saving all this for the company and for our future. But I think you can manage this, and please manage it very, very, very well, because it's very hard to get these days.
Thank you very much.
No, that's it.
And I love you so much.
I know.
But it's unfortunate things have changed. And I wouldn't want to see you suffer.
Mommy, how can things change when we have everything to make us happy? Huh?
You don't understand. Your uncle is the one managing the companies. And he's telling me the realities on the ground. He says your late dad left behind some huge debts that he has to pay.
No, Mommy, it's a lie. He has no debt to pay. God, look at how he lives. He lives such a luxurious life, and he wants me to believe that all is not well. No, Mommy.
Listen.
You need to do something.
Listen.
I don't trust your brother.
You have to trust your uncle. Because he is managing the company. And he is telling me the realities on the ground. So please, when things get better, I'm sure the situation will turn around. Okay?
Oh God. There you go again.
Hello, is anybody? You're welcome. How is it? Mommy, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Welcome, me.
Oh, I'm fine. And you? Is there any problem? What is going on? You don't look too cheerful. Is somebody dead? Could somebody please tell me what is going on? Favor, what is it? Come on, talk.
Things are very difficult for us.
We are facing serious financial problem in this house. Rose. Can you believe we didn't eat anything since yesterday?
Favor! So after all you've done for me, you couldn't at least pick a phone and just give me a call and tell me that you're in a financial crisis? Ma! So Ma, why couldn't you let Favor come and tell me that you're facing a problem?
I wouldn't know how to tell you.
Stop crying, stop crying. You're gonna make me cry. Ma. Mom, please take this little money. This is all I have now, okay? Please manage it, please.
Hey. Merhaba. Shoki, bitches done the nyapo in Zofia. It's banana Sure.
Oh, Mom, forget about sure. It's okay. But I want to get you some more money, so I'm going to the bank to cash out some money for you. Come on, go and get dressed and let's go. Let's go to the bank, okay? Thank you. I'm so sorry. Don't worry, okay? Cheer up, okay? Now I know what you guys are going through. I will make sure that I help you and everything.
Wow. God! You have a beautiful home. Jesus. Wow.
Call this your second home, okay?
Gosh! I'm so tired. Wow, an album. Gosh, yeah. Wow, baby, I love your home.
You know.
Oh. What? What is it?
Do you know him?
No, he looks like my father's friend who died some years ago.
God forbid! You've got the wrong person, okay? Stop scaring me. He's alive and kicking, okay? That is my sweetheart. That's
your fiancé?
Yes. Favor, you don't look too good. What's wrong?
Since I'm having headache, I thought I've seen a ghost.
Oh, no. Stop saying he's a ghost, okay? That's my sweet friend, okay? He's alive and kicking. You have the wrong person. Anyway, let's go and see Mom in the kitchen, okay? Come on. Hurry up.
No. Favor, listen. I don't think you are right. I'm sure you must have seen someone's picture who resembles your uncle. I've not him, per se.
No. Mom, I said it is him. I saw the picture myself, and I am certain that it is him. Look, Mom, are you trying to tell me that if I see my uncle, I wouldn't recognize him? Is that what you're trying to tell me? God, Jesus. Why do you believe your brother so much? Why? Huh? Oh, God. I remember, Mother. When my father was alive, he used to tell me how nasty your brother can be. A thief and an hypocrite.
Hold it there. I won't allow you to go that further. Look here. Don't let us jump into any conclusion. All we have to do is investigate and we'll get the truth out of it. That's all. Yes. Your father indeed.
Really?
Huh.
Okay.
Yeah, what do you want to know, Swano? Ono na obedi wuhwamo. Dia wureshe ni mono. Ono na obama wo achire. Oh na afika. Wonim se opewa sempa.
Good day, madam.
What do you want in my house?
And no me,
please, madam, calm down. I'm here in peace and for your own interest.
In whose interest? After conniving with gangsters to have my husband killed, you tell me you come here in my own interest? Hey, madam, you better leave before I call in the police.
Please, madam. I did not kill your husband. How can I do that? Please.
Hey, you are a very big liar. You better leave this place before I call in the police, right?
Please, madam. Your late husband was not my lover as you think. He was a business client. He saved at our bank.
Have a seat. Now how can I help you?
Madam, your late husband was a business client. He saved at our bank. Before his death, he had about 15 billion cedis. And now...
You mean in his account?
In his account.
Okay.
And now we have realized the money has reduced drastically. Yes.
What are you implying?
What I'm trying to say is, your brother Frank is squandering the money. Recently, he came for a loan, about 3 billion cedis. Recently.
Are you sure about what you're saying?
I'm sure.
You mean Frank applied for a loan of 3 billion cedis?
Yes.
I mean, what evidence do you have? Anything to show that he really did apply for that loan?
Madam, I'm sure. I have all the documents here with me. You can see for yourself.
Hey. Huh? Oh my God. You know what? My brother Frank came to me that he was applying for a visa and that he needed the documents of this house as collateral for the visa. So this is the collateral he used for the loan.
Yes.
Frank can't be this wicked. Frank, you can't do this to me. Oh, Frank. Oh my God. Frank, no, you can't do this to me.
That reminds me, is your brother dating someone?
Dating? No. Not that I know of. Why? How can he date someone when he barely has enough to eat?
Yeah, you need to advise him about the type of girls he moves around with. I've seen him a few times with a girl I consider far below his status. So just sound word of advice to him.
Are you jealous?
Me? Jealous? You've forgotten you're married to me and you are all I ever wanted.
Wow, good.
All that I'm saying is I just want him to be a bit more careful. Because there are a whole lot of gold diggers around and seeking eligible young men to devour, you know.
That's true. You know what? Thank you so much. Don't worry. I'll talk to him about it, okay?
How on earth can a landlord eject a boy who collected 54 million cedis from me as rent advance? A 3-year rent advance. How?
This is unbelievable, honey. You mean you gave my brother 54 million cedis to rent a place?
What sort of question is that? Why ask me a question that I've already said? He's your only brother, isn't he? You are the only woman who has got an only brother, always an only brother. And I'm talking about 54 million cedis that's gone out of me to that God Almighty only brother of yours.
So what did you do with the money then?
Oh yeah. Now I'm your brother, aren't I? I am that only brother. Because I don't have brothers. I don't have siblings who deserve to work in my company. And you are the only woman who's got an only brother who deserves to work in my company. And I'm talking about 54 goddamn million cedis that's gone down just like that because of an only brother. Now, you see what I've been talking to you about family? That I don't want family in my business.
It's okay. Cool it. I know what to do. Okay?
You better know what to do. Always. My only brother. Because I don't have brothers. I don't have siblings. 54 million goddamn cities go down the drain because of your only brother.
Very necessary. Very necessary. You expect me to sleep with you when you hate my blood? Huh. Blood is thicker than water.
Yeah. blood is thicker than water. But you forget it's water you're married to and not blood. Well, sit yourself.
Derek, you can't do that.
Yes, I can. And I'll do it again.
Look, do you think he's the one who's been giving me the information?
Who else?
He's just been sleeping around with the ladies.
Oh,
and
yeah.
here in the office,
Yeah.
your cup is full.
Oh, yeah. And your brother's cup is water full, isn't it?
You feel very guilty.
The day you realize that the oath you swore was to me and not to that idiot of a brother.
I have said it. Guilt is written all over your face. Period.
Yeah, that's all you know.
Your cup is full.
Okay.
You are behaving inhumanly. How can you just do that? Madam, what do you suggest?
I suggest we hand him over to the police before he runs away.
Hand him over to the police?
Yes.
I think I'll do exactly that.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Please, I'm leaving.
Alright, thank you.
Hey, Uncle Frank. So Daddy was right.
Hey.
Mommy, you see, I told you Uncle Frank is evil.
Frank.
Every year, Ube unsa wa haupa. Ade wo seka ye dwananka. Minwie ama wo ho akire. Wo shade a wo bepene ho. Enipa da sani nye. Abuakna mai wose. Enipa trimu osum. Enunti wose ni trasia. Onimsa ofasa siabono. Nipanye. Onyawo obeye. Onyamimpa waboye no. Oniye mujidi ebia. Nipanye oh. Susu jini fadi.
Frank, don't be heartless. How can you say there's no money when you are living comfortably?
Sister, you can't shout at me or blame me for this company's crisis. After all, if you had talked to that husband of yours and had managed the company very well, things could have been better by now.
Nonsense! How dare you speak about my father like that? Who the hell do you think you are? You good for nothing uncle.
Shut up! Shut up! I'm really disappointed in you. I thought you had a heart as good as mine. No, you had an evil heart.
Sister, you can't shout at me.
You think we don't know? Huh? You think we don't know about your relationship with my friend Rose? Oh, you even used my father's money and bought her a car, right?
I don't know anything about this. I don't know anything about this. I know you and your mother have connived just to destroy my reputation. Alright. In fact, I'm no more working for this company.
You see, running away. That thief is running away. Look here. You can run, but you can't hide, right? Take a look at this. Take a close look at this. Ross gave this to me. And I swear, brother or no brother, blood or no blood, I'll have you rot in jail, right? I'm going to have you rot in jail. Your mouth is full. Don't confront people.
The moment of truth will soon be here.
Can't believe this.
Ma, you see what I've been telling you every day. My brother. You never paid any attention to anybody.
Shut up.
But when you see here, dress with me, and here for and you said, so much at I say with me blanket. Look at what we Moboa. Just me, madam, no mucas is here from Madama. Me, no mucas is from favor. Mubo. Me, no more say. No one's ever information come on my time.
Hey! Comfort for 1 night. What I want to wear to go to me. Who are Kunta Mo baby.
Nadisika, who sorry, I know Joe. What is Capra? I did this one, Nanya. Wouldn't you about Portia? Meaning to say me for your book is yet. So I say, we are grown for. Wouldn't miss wine. Wouldn't miss wine. Or be more to my neck. Not trying to snare. Oh, back now, I'm a man hustle. What's your flower? What's your flower? So you're forward. Some make a choice of foreigner with two more. They want to go down. Come for.
You surprise me, Frank. You surprise me so much. So all this time you are lying to me. Oh, that your father owns that. Your father owns that. So you mean to tell me I was about to marry a thruster? A foreign man like you?
Hey, Buja. You see, I am free. Since the more I'm more judges, more judging. Move up here. Move on to some new. Mama for you. It's a man for sham. Move on to some more. Oh! If you want someone else, I said, Motiti. Get some room. I'm calling some new.
Mements are home, Mamma, and why 419. No, I want to put them into.
And then let me go. Miss Monco. Yes, seriously. Get up. Say that. I call him. You think they're stupid? Monco says someone.
For what? You get this.
We shall be as interested when you meet Brown was see when you're sword mount Brazil. Answer for the one. On your mean Pabania. In the Greeks, there would be and found to not see so be that that's a shanya. So be didn't cry, Minia.
Auntie Portia, please, I'm very sorry. Please forgive me. My daughter never knew about this. Please forgive me. Nima, asam wenye si. She knew a mayor woman. The more boom, Major Humpaman Sassy. Now, Rose was a minimum look at Akuma Papa. Woman Campo. Hey,
Ma, please forgive me. I never knew Frank was your brother.
I wouldn't have gotten myself in this whole mess. Mommy, please find it in your heart to forgive me. I'm so sorry. But all is not lost. I have evidence, strong evidence to prove that he is guilty.
American Ijizi. Ijizi.
Yes, Mommy.
Hey.
All the evidence is in this file. We can go to the police station right now to report for his arrest. Everything is in this file. Yes. God.
I swear.
God. I swear Uncle Frank will surely pay for this. We will deal with him drastically. That thief. Oh God.
He's married a devil. Hey, Frank.
Make sure you rot in jail. You can't do this to me. My only brother. How can you be so wicked? How can you be so wicked? You can't be there.
AKONTA.
Obi wu wanyami